it's in the middle of teaching me that this craft is crap.
Okay.
In today's video, we analyze a real police encounter and the legal standards involved. On December 4th, 2022, in Eustis, Florida, a simple seatbelt violation quickly escalates when a driver refuses to identify herself and invokes sovereign citizen arguments.
Hi.
Hello?
I'm Sergeant Brown, Eustis PD. The reason I stopped because you're not wearing your seatbelt. You have your license registration on you, ma'am.
I'm sorry, is that, I'm sorry. I just took my seatbelt off.
You didn't have her on.
Yes, I did.
Mm-mm.
Yes, I did.
Mm-mm.
Yes, I did.
Mm-mm.
You're gonna have to, I just took it off. I wear my seatbelt. Actually, I yell at everybody for not wearing their seatbelt.
Outstanding. Do you have your license on you, ma'am?
I'm not gonna do this morning.
Dude, we're not from here.
I know you guys are from Michigan. I saw the tag. Do you have your passport on you or some sort of ID?
I left it at the fucking house. It's not even on me.
Okay, no worries.
I got mine.
He's got his.
Okay. Do you have
I'm
it?
on my way to church right now.
Okay. Thanks, man.
Yep.
Do you actually have a?
I don't. I've already won this in court.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
Under Florida Statute 322.03, any person operating a motor vehicle on public roads is required to possess a valid driver license issued by the state of Florida or another recognized jurisdiction. Operating a vehicle without a valid license is a violation of state law.
Definitely wearing my seatbelt. We'll have to subpoena those videos.
What's your first name, ma'am? Ma'am, what's your first name?
What?
Your first name?
But I'm trying to figure out what crime I committed for you to ask me that.
It's a traffic violation, ma'am.
It's actually a civil infraction.
Which I can pull you over for, yes.
No, I was wearing my seatbelt though. We're having a dispute here. I was wearing it, and you're saying
we're having a dispute here. So here,
you can't tell me I was wearing.
Can you settle down for a second here? Here's how it's going to play out. I'm going to verify everything, and I'm just going to cut you a traffic warning and be on my merry way. That was my whole plan. Just to be honest with you, not to get into a long, drawn-out argument about whatever. I'm just going to verify that you have a license or whatever that says you can drive in the state of the United States. Once that's clean and valid, I'm out of here. That is my plan. All right. What's your first name, Mama?
It's Dixie.
Dixie. Miss Dixie. Okay. And your birthday?
It's in August.
August what?
22nd.
22nd?
Wow, I cannot wait to tell my professor this.
Okay. And the year?
We have to do all this over a travel?
Yeah, because I don't have her DL or
I don't
a
need
passport.
a DL, but I just told you
You
that.
need an
I won it
identification,
in the Supreme
though.
Court.
Right.
I don't have to have a I don't have to
To
have
verify
an
your
identification.
identity, yes, you do.
No, I don't.
Okay, whatever you say, but I need. What's your date of birth?
Oh, 82.
82. Okay.
2282. Here's my passport.
Oh, perfect.
26. I was looking for my passport ID, but I only have my passport.
All right, thank you, Miss Dixie.
You're welcome.
Also, by any chance, do you have the registration?
This is my husband.
While a passport is a valid form of identification, it does not grant permission to operate a motor vehicle. Under Florida Statute 322.03, a person must have a valid driver license to legally drive on public roads. A passport can prove identity, but it does not authorize someone to drive.
Okay. Do you have the registration or anything that has a VIN on it?
We
Okay,
do
no worries.
things different.
I've never been pulled over before.
Okay.
Honestly.
Yeah, and I had my seatbelt on.
Okay, hang on. So all she has is her passport.
Well, the truck's not registered, so
It's not even registered. I can't even get anything back on the tag.
there's nothing for it. It's not registered. You want?
Here's where we're at.
Step out over here real quick.
Found you. You don't. Your license suspended. Out of
mine?
Yeah. Can't find you, and we can't even find the truck. It's not even registered. So I'm gonna run the VIN real quick.
North.
Yeah. I mean, we have
like
access.
from
We have access
1900 miles
from.
away.
We have access in the database of all the states, but I'm gonna run the VIN and see what we get. That's where we're at. Hello.
What's going on?
How's it going?
This guy said he's gonna give us fucking warnings when we get to church.
That's not true.
What are you talking about?
I understand that, but you are required to have a driver's license.
No, you're not.
Okay.
That's
all right.
Title 18, Section 31, brother. I know what the words
He's a
are.
lawyer.
Okay.
That's why we got a passport. It actually says on there to not detain.
And I've been pulled over
If I'm correct,
a
it
few
says not
different
detain.
times. Never have a problem. It's always freaking Florida.
Miss Dixie.
I don't want to talk to you about the truck.
Okay.
Yeah, we're not finding it at all.
Well, I don't know what to tell you. They're on a paper system.
Okay.
And what is this guy talking about? A passport isn't an identification.
His form of identification is not a form for a license to operate a motor vehicle.
Yeah, but we're not a resident of the state of Florida.
You still have to have a license to operate a vehicle in the state of Florida.
Okay.
Go ahead,
okay.
Eustace.
I actually am getting my bachelor's in associates and homeland security. That's what it states on the Okay, first of all, that would be like calling somebody black the N-word. Yes, it is.
I was honestly taken aback by her comment suggesting that asking whether she is a sovereign citizen is equivalent to using a deeply offensive racial slur. These are fundamentally different things. One refers to a self-declared legal ideology that individuals sometimes assert during law enforcement encounters. The other refers to a deeply derogatory and offensive way of addressing someone based on identity. The officer's question was clearly related to understanding the legal basis of her claims, not her personal identity.
Because that's a discriminating comment. You just asked me if I was a sovereign citizen. Everybody is a sovereign. Why? I would like to. Oh, I see. Cody, why are you arresting me? Good, arrest me. I hope you arrest me. Call Kathy right now. Get my attorneys on the phone. Touch me. Okay. Okay.
All right, man.
Okay.
Get up.
Okay.
You're resisting now.
Okay. I'm not resisting anything. You just pulled me
Step
backwards.
inside. Watch your head.
I am pregnant. Can you fucking
Sit
use
in
the
the
handcuffs?
car.
It is the law. You cannot handcuff me behind my back.
Thanks, guys.
I am pregnant. Why are you guys doing this?
All right.
You cannot.
My guys are not being aggressive. Your wife is taking things up a notch, unfortunately.
I get that.
But and this is where we're coming from. She doesn't have a driver's license.
Here's the
All right,
deal.
put
Now
your
you're
feet
being charged resisting.
What?
You're being charged resisting as well. I'm not putting up
I
the bullshit.
didn't resist. I was backwards. How can I resist?
Put your left foot in. Not lawfully obeying to command.
Two? What is the first command?
I told you to go to the car
Why would you
Walk
put
over
me
here.
and detain me?
because you're being
Put
arrested.
your left foot
But
in
for
now.
what?
I already explained to you. Operating a motor vehicle in the state of Florida without a flowered
That
license.
is not your that is
Okay.
not a vehicle.
Watch your knee.
That'll be for your
My passport says
Foot
do
in
not
the
detain me.
Under Florida Statute 316.003, any device used to transport people on a highway is legally defined as a vehicle. Referring to it as personal property does not exempt the driver from traffic laws or from the authority of law enforcement.
I have a female officer, pat you down, make sure you don't have anything.
Okay, this is an
illegal on
abuse
your
of
person.
power, and
It's not
I
an
will
abuse
be.
of power,
It's
it's-
okay. Let her pat
it's
me
our
down.
policy.
Let her pat me down. You can go ahead and pat me down,
Right
ma'am.
over here. There you go.
I have the right to remain silent,
yes.
and that's what I choose to do so from now on. You will not get my fingerprints. You will not get anything from me.
Do you have anything on you, guns, drugs?
No, I don't have anything on me. Anything. Anything.
Pat you down real
Go
quick.
ahead.
Do you have anything in your bra?
I don't have anything in my bra but
just
my
making
boobies. Oh my God, I cannot wait to file a lawsuit against the Eustis Police Department. You do not go to jail for traveling through the state of Florida.
You need a driver's license.
No, you do
To
not.
operate a
No,
vehicle.
I've already won that with section and case law. God damn it, I'm in Homeland Security school. Are you guys kidding me? I could be your boss in another
So you haven't
3 years.
graduated
It's in the middle of teaching me that this craft is craft.
Okay.
Cody, call Kathy. Tell her to get here now. My children are with somebody else, you stupid
You can step
idiot.
aside. Watch your head.
I can't even believe you guys.
Watch your knee.
What'd she do?
So they're trying to walk her to the car, and she's yelling and screaming and purposely tripped herself down on the ground to make it look like we were being physical. Not her.
She's far from happy right now.
I need you to take her to the PD.
She's in my car right now.
Oh, she is?
Yeah.
Okay, all right.
I mean, what?
Trade places then. Now, if you want to have the
I'm
truck,
gonna
if
have
you want
it
the truck
take to
moved
church
to the
right
church,
next-
you can do that with the tow truck company. Okay.
Do what? Yeah, I'm gonna call the tow truck company, but I still don't want them to remove my plate. That's my metal, man. Come on.
I have to. It's
What do you mean?
It's not assigned to the truck. You have to have the tag and the vehicle registered together.
Show me.
Okay. If it's not registered, okay, you
Can you show
cannot
me
be
that?
driving this car.
Can you show? I'm not driving.
I'll have
This
one of
is
my
what I
officers
keep on
show you the
saying.
statute.
You
Okay.
can show me the statute, but I've already won this. If you look up my wife's name in the state of Florida, like 2 years ago, bro, we just went through this.
Okay.
In West Palm Beach, look it up. Everything dismissed. They tried giving her like 38 tickets.
How much you guys went out of that?
I think I settled for about
25 mil?
25,000.
Thousand?
No, come on. I don't do all that. I'm not a greedy person. I just want people to know like where it's coming from.
Encounters like this often involve sovereign citizen arguments that courts have repeatedly rejected. In November 2025, the United States District Court for the Western District of Arkansas ruled that claims based on sovereign citizen ideology are inherently frivolous and should be summarily dismissed as a waste of judicial resources. Similarly, in Askew v. United States, the United States Court of Appeals for the Fifth Circuit in 2023 dismissed sovereign citizen claims as frivolous and entirely without merit. These rulings confirm that personal beliefs do not exempt individuals from traffic laws or lawful police authority. Understanding both your rights and your legal obligations is essential during any police encounter. Before we wrap up, I would like to take a moment to say thank you. My name is Leo. I am a veteran and a former police officer. I truly appreciate you spending your time here and supporting my family through this channel. Your viewership and engagement genuinely mean a great deal to us. Please stay safe and God bless.